I'm showing you a sample of all the paints available here in the Philippines. One of the best one is Nippon paint. So this is 5 liters. This is the outside.
Yeah.
This paint is for outside cement. Only for cement, not metal. So you can see it's a 5 liter 5 liter container. And how much ga?
Okay, so it depends on the color. So let's say for example this one for creeping willow this is 1,518 pesos.
1,518 pesos.
Yes.
Why does different colors different price man?
The dark color if the color is
Darker.
dark the price is high. So let's say for example for this one Barbara blue. So this one is only 1,323.
So why is it cheaper? Because it's a common color.
Yeah, it's a common color.
So the darker the color, the more expensive. And so if it's a common color like blue and yellow,
yeah, more cheaper.
the more cheaper. Say more expensive.
Like for example, this one, this color is a pure gold. So as you can see, the price is 1,725. Yeah.
So that's for once again, siya matte sweater gold.
Oh yeah. It could be internal, it could be external, but preferably we can use this one, or preferably we can suggest the customer if they're going to put it outside or exterior, it could be this one because weather gold, so it can, you know,
It can stand the
yeah,
weather. So that's from Nippon Paint. What else is from Nippon Paint?
So we also have here Nippon for wood and metal.
Wood and metal, the Platoon,
Platoon.
high gloss.
Yes.
So what is the price range?
So the price range, it also depends on the color. So let's say for example for this one, it's Wira blue. So it's 271 pesos. Yeah, it's
Okay.
1 liter.
1
so we
liter.
also have this one is 3.5 liter.
3.5 liter.
So it depends on also the color, the price.
So this is for metal and wood.
For wood. Yeah.
Okay. So the darker the color, the more expensive is the
Yes.
paint.
Yes.
So I didn't realize that. The red oxide
Red oxide, this is also applicable for metal.
metal.
For the first coating or for the for your metal to prevent the
Rusting.
Yeah.
So pila, how much is the one?
This one
Pot.
is 5 liters also. So it's 1,274.
1,274.
So we also have 1 liter here. So it's 306 pesos.
306 pesos. So you can save on the bigger liters, no? The bigger pots. And then you got also, look, wall sealer.
Yeah, wholesaler. Yeah, so this is applicable for cement or concrete.
Concrete.
Yeah. So it can seal all the cracks and all the
Times
to
aga.
seal it. So this one for wholesaler Nippon. So this is applicable for internal exterior use.
Okay.
Yeah, for it's water based. So you just add water in it if it's sticky. And then for the price, it's 2,923 and it's 18 liters.
18
in
liters for
capacity.
one pot. Kanang Supermatex emulsion paint.
So this one is also a latex paint,
Latex.
applicable only for internal use, not applicable for exterior.
So it's internal, and then what wall? Cemento?
Yeah, it's
Cement only? How about wood?
Concrete. Yeah, no, only for cement.
Cement.
For concrete.
So how much is that one, the emulsion paint?
It's 2,185 pesos only, and it's 18 liters.
18 liters, what color? White?
White only. We only have white.
For the pots. So you also got these small ones.
Yes. 7 liters in capacity, and it's 888.
Okay.
So all the colors. It's
All the
800,
colors.
Yeah, 800.
You got it in 7 liters.
Yeah.
But for the big pots, You only have it in white.
Yeah, we only have here white.
So this is the biggest you do is 7 liters. That's black man ga, no?
Yeah.
So
88.
888 for 7 liters.
Yes.
So the other brand of paints are Boysen. You got permacoats. Say how much ga?
Okay, for gloss latex white and it's 4 liters, it's 712 pesos.
712.
So they also have this quick drying enamel. This is for wood and metal. So this one is 521. So it's a chocolate brown.
Chocolate brown quick dry,
So
enamel.
For Boysen, we only have limited colors, limited display.
Okay. So like this one,
So this one is enamel white. So it's gloss.
gloss white.
Gloss white.
How
So
many liters?
It's 14.
16? 16.
16.
16 liter pot. Pila siya?
May price na kami.
Tara, 16 liter. 2 1? Ano sa?
Race man, siya. Mahal niya. It's
I think
2,000 plus.
2,000 plus, but when the prices increase, I think the dicer then sa likod. Yeah. The dicer has trying to get a new sticker for the price increase. But usually it's 2,000 plus for a 16 liter pot of Boysen. At ako tapikas. So another brand of paint here in the Philippines is A+.
Yes. So for the packaging, they also have 4 liters. It's 1 gallon.
So they got 1 gallon.
1 liter.
They got 4 liters and 1 liter pack. So 1 4 liter pack, tagpila usually ang pricing.
Okay, so it ranges from 620 to 150 centavos. So that's the.
So it starts from 622 to unsa kinamahalan niya gang?
You also have 637.50. So it depends on upon the color.
Upon the color again. So it starts from 600, and the darker the color, the more expensive is the paint.
Yes.
Like the red.
Not the red one. It's 622.
So that's 622. So this one, the purple on that pot, anong dagko nga pot,
Okay, so
semi-gloss white,
it's 2,267 and 50 centavos.
2,600.
So 16 liters.
And the kanang color, the
color,
purple.
okay, so for the color, it's purple rain.
Rain.
It's 2,477 and 50 centavos.
So more expensive. The more darker, the more expensive. So like you got gold, so it comes with. So now you can know that the 4 liter one range from 620 above. It depends on your color. And another one that's popular here is Rain and Shine.
Rain or shine, yes. It's elastomeric waterproofing paint.
So elastomeric waterproofing paint. Unsa man ni siya kanang it's also ang price range po niya depends on
The color, yes, exactly. Okay,
like that color.
Like for
Example.
this one is 647 for the happy day, so it's something like yellow. So for this one, Foxy, it's 702.
702.
Yeah. So we also have 702, the Boracay.
So again, it starts from 620 above. Depends again on the color. And also available in 1 gallon, which is 4 liters. And then the 16 liter spot. They don't have the 16 liter spot on stock, but you can see the available paints here. Rain or Shine, elastomeric. Elastomeric waterproofing means pwede siyang in and out. Can be outdoor and indoor. And unsa ni siya ga pwede kuan semento or
For cement only.
cement only. Ang mga kanang for like plasterboard kanang kuan ba? Kanang kayong gypsum.
Gypsum. Kaya pwede ka po na siya.
You can use this for gypsum or katong mga fiberboard.
Yeah.
So katong mga kuan lagi hardiplex. So hardiplex but not wood. O wood is different.
Because hardiplex is 70% of that is cement.
Oh yes. So you can paint that. Sa gypsum, you can also use this.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the types of paint that we have here. You also got the different ones like the glazer for your metal works. Yeah, unsa pa nang well coat? Unsa man ang well coat?
Dili po lang sa kono po na siya same lang na company here sa
Request for links and B, please proceed to sales.
So,
is also another product of
rain and shine. So well coat is another one. But it's mostly white and black only.
Yeah.
So we also have Davis here available in the Philippines. So how much is the sample for Davis 1 gallon?
So for Davis, for 1 gallon, it depends also the color.
And again, in the color, it
Like
differs.
for this one, the Lovely Blush, it's 761.
761.
Yes, as you can see, the Limey Lily, so it's 826.
So the Davis is quite dear. It starts from 700 pesos.
So depends also on the color, because for the orange,
Ang orange is more dear.
yeah, it's
More expensive. How much? Sun and Rain. The Davis also got a brand called Sun and Rain for elastomeric.
So 1,000 plus.
So 700 above. That's the Davis. The A plus is start from 620. And the Rain and Shine start from 620. The same with Nippon Paint. But Davis seems to be more dear, more expensive, no? And what other brand?
Island.
Island Paint. The most popular is Island.
Yeah, here in the Philippines.
Yeah, Island Paint is the most popular. How much is ang Island sa colored paint for indoors? Yes, latex and enamel.
So for cement, it also depends on the color, but
They-
ranges
from-
from 741 to 800.
So the Prima Island starts from 741 above. Kaning mga color quick, unsa manigang?
It's for wood and metal.
So this is their enamel for wood and metal. Pilay range niya ga?
So it's start with 458. So there's also 541.
So depends again on the color,
Yeah,
no? So it starts about 458 above. Kani mo ning mga automotive paints, Island gyapon.
This is also for wood and metal.
Wood and metal,
But the
enamel
finish
siya.
is like automotive.
Shiny.
Very fine. The result is very fine.
This is the best paint you can paint for your outdoor furniture because automotive paint can stand the test of the temperature, no, hot and cold, rainy. And then they also got this roof coat.
Yeah, for roof.
Star is made by Island.
But it's more cheaper.
This is the cheaper type of paint from Island, Star. So pila ilang elastomeric ga?
For elastomeric paint, it depends also the color because
But it starts with 400, no?
504. Yeah.
504. So their color starts for 1 gallon is 504 above.
The most expensive is 590.
So 590 is the most expensive for the brand Star. And they also I use this Star white
Star white for
outside, you know, the exterior because they are very good in painting the walls and very white when they get dry.
It's only
Kaning
464.
Kaning roof coat gang.
It depends also the color, but it starts.
What is a roof coat for the
For
roof?
the roof.
Water based acrylic. So when you're painting your roof, pila siya, how much starts?
It's 620 to 697.
620 to 697. So now you can see what are the available paint here in the Philippines.